Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy cryptocurrencies inside the Coinbase wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, when you open your Coinbase wallet, you will see this opening page. And here, if you tap on at the actions button, you will see the buy or transfer menu. And if you tap on it, it will show up this little menu which says buy or transfer using from Coinbase. And here you will have to use your Coinbase account, which is a separate one from the Coinbase wallet. So you have to tap on this menu, and then if you don't have a Coinbase account, you will have to tap on the sign up for Coinbase to create a Coinbase account. Or if you have a Coinbase account, you will have to tap on the connect my Coinbase account. And here you will have to sign in. And then when you signed in to your Coinbase account, you can buy any kinds of cryptocurrency inside the Coinbase wallet app. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.